Cost of building a 3-bedroom bungalow here in Nigeria in January 2025. In this video, I'm going to give you the estimated quantity of materials needed, estimated cost of materials, and cost of labor. Now, I want you to know that this is not the exact estimate you need for your own 3-bedroom bungalow, okay? Estimate can be high or low depending on the following factors. One, the location of your building. The cost of building this 3-bedroom bungalow here in Delta State, Nigeria is different from the cost of building in Port Harcourt, Abuja, Lagos, or anywhere else in Nigeria. Two, the topography of your land. Are you building on a valley or on a mountain area or around waters of body or on a plain land? It's way much better to build on a plain land. Another thing is the type of soil. Are you building on a clay soil, sandy soil, loamy soil? Loamy soil is the best type of soil for building. Another thing is the construction method. The construction method my engineer used might be different from the construction method your engineer used, okay? So that is also a factor. Another thing is the size of the building. Even if you are building the same 3-bedroom bungalow, if your size is bigger than my own, it's going to cost us different amounts of money, okay? Another thing is the design of your building, okay? Even if we are building the same 3-bedroom bungalow, if our designs are different, it's going to cost us different amounts of money. Another thing is the cost of building materials as at the time of building. Here in Nigeria, cost of building materials fluctuates. The cost of building materials in November 2024 is not the same now in January 2025, okay? Now, the best way to get a very close bill of quantity or quotation is from your building plan. Once you get your building plan from your architect, you hand it over to your quantity surveyor. From the building plan, your quantity surveyor should be able to derive a very close bill of quantity for your building, but it is always advisable to leave room for errors, okay? Even if you're working with the best quantity surveyor in the world, it is advisable you leave room for errors. Just add a little amount to whatever budget they give to you. Let's say they say it's going to cost you a total of 50 million naira. You can budget 51 to 52 million naira. At the end of the day, you might spend more than or less than 50 million naira, okay? So yeah, this quotation I got from my engineer Mewerium. If you want a very good engineer to handle your building project anywhere here in Nigeria, I will highly recommend engineer Mewerium. His phone number will always be on the screen, also in the description box. Now, this particular 3-bedroom bungalow is sitting on 30 feet by 70 feet. That is 9 meters by 18 meters. If it's in meters, 9 meters by 18 meters, then 162 square meters in meters, 162 square meters. Now, the features of this particular 3-bedroom bungalows are the entrance pouch. It has the entrance pouch, the living room, the dining, the visitor's toilet, the 3-bedroom all en-suites. All the 3 bedrooms are en-suites, the kitchen, the balconies, and the lobby, okay? So those are the features of this 3-bedroom bungalow. Now, let's dive straight into the costs of building this 3-bedroom bungalow, starting from foundation to DPC. From foundation to DPC for this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need 5 inches block, 1,500 pieces of 5 inches block, and a piece costs 550 naira. So 550 naira multiplied by 1,500 naira is giving us 825,000 naira. We need cement, 50 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. 9,500 naira multiplied by 50 is giving us 475,000 naira. 475,000 naira. We need gravel, 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper of gravel, and we need 1 trip, and a trip costs 170,000 naira. So 170,000 naira multiplied by 1 is giving us 170,000 naira. We need 12 mm rod, 60 length of 12 mm rod, and a length costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 naira multiplied by 60 is giving us 570,000 naira. We need 8 mm rod. We need 20 length of 8 mm rod, and a length costs 4,000 naira. So 4,000 multiplied by 20 is giving us 80,000 naira. We need board. We need 60 pieces of board, and a piece of board costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 60 is giving us 180,000 naira. We need binding wire, 1 roll of binding wire, and a roll costs 37,000 naira, giving us 37,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need sharp sand. We need 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 2 trips, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 140,000 naira. We need 2 by 2 wood, 8 pieces of 2 by 2 wood, and a piece of 2 by 2 costs 1,000 naira. 1,000 multiplied by 8 is giving us 8,000 naira. We need filling sand, that is a laterite. We need 25 trips of laterite, and a trip costs 40,000 naira. So 40,000 multiplied by 25 is giving us 1 million naira. So from foundation to DPC for this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need a total of 3,627,000 naira. 3,627,000 naira. Then workmanship, we need a total of 700,000 naira. 700,000 naira. So 700,000 naira plus 3,627,000 naira is giving us 4,327,000 naira. 4,327,000 naira from foundation to DPC. Now let's move over to the German floor. The German floor for this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need gravel, 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper of gravel, and we need 1 trip, and a trip costs 170,000 naira. So 170,000 naira multiplied by 1 is giving us 170,000 naira. We need cement. We need 40 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 naira multiplied by 40 is giving us 380,000 naira. We need sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 2 trip, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 140,000 naira. So for the German floor for this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need a total of 690,000 naira. 690,000 naira. And the workmanship, we need 300,000 naira. So 300,000 naira plus 690,000 naira is giving us 990,000 naira. 990,000 naira. Let's move over to the lintel. The lintel for this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need 5 inches block, 2,000 pieces of 5 inches block, and a piece costs 550 naira. 550 naira multiplied by 2,000 is giving us 1,100,000 naira. We need cement. We need 100 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 naira multiplied by 100 is giving us 950,000 naira. We need gravel, 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper of gravel, and we need 1 trip, and a trip costs 170,000 naira. So 170,000 naira multiplied by 1 is giving us 170,000 naira. We need board. We need 100 pieces of board, and a piece of board costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 100 is giving us 300,000 naira. We need 12 mm rod, 50 length of 12 mm rod, and a length costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 naira multiplied by 50 is giving us 475,000 naira. 475,000 naira. We need 2x2 wood, 10 pieces of 2x2 wood, and a piece of 2x2 wood costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 10 is giving us 10,000 naira. We need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 10 trips, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 naira multiplied by 10 is giving us 700,000 naira. We need 8 mm rod, 20 length of 8 mm rod, and a length costs 4,000 naira. So 4,000 multiplied by 20 is giving us 80,000 naira. We need binding wire. We need 1 roll of binding wire, and a roll costs 37,000 naira, giving us 37,000 naira. So for the lintel for this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need a total of 3,892,000 naira. 3,892,000 naira. Then for the workmanship, we need 1 million naira. So 1 million naira plus 3,892,000 naira is giving us 4,892,000 naira. 4,892,000 naira. Now for the parapets for this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need board. We need 80 pieces of board, and a piece of board costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 80 is giving us 240,000 naira. We need 1x4, 200 pieces of 1x4, and a piece of 1x4 costs 800 naira. So 800 multiplied by 200 is giving us 160,000 naira. We need 1x5. We need 200 pieces of 1x5, and a piece of 1x5 costs 1,500 naira. So 1,500 naira multiplied by 200 is giving us 300,000 naira. We need 2 inches nail, 1 bag of 2 inches nail, and a bag of 2 inches nail costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail, that costs 35, giving us 35,000 naira. We need bamboo. We need 60 pieces of bamboo, and a piece of bamboo costs 700 naira. So 700 multiplied by 60 is giving us 42,000 naira. We need gravel, the chippings, okay, the chippings. We need 1 trip, and a trip costs 170,000 naira, giving us 170,000 naira. We need 12 mm rod, 50 length of 12 mm rod, and a length costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 multiplied by 50 is giving us 475,000 naira. We need 8 mm rod, 30 length of 8 mm rod, and a length costs 4,000 naira. So 4,000 multiplied by 30 is giving us 120,000 naira. We need cement. We need 30 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 multiplied by 30 is giving us 285,000 naira. Then we need sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 1 trip, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 1 is giving us 70,000 naira. We need binding wire, 1 roll of binding wire, and a roll costs 37,000 naira, giving us 37,000 naira. We need 2x2 wood, 30 pieces of 2x2 wood, and a piece of 2x2 wood costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 30 is giving us 30,000 naira. We need 10 mm rod, 20 length of 10 mm rod, and a length costs 8,000 naira. So 8,000 multiplied by 20 is giving us 8,000 multiplied by 20 is giving us 160,000 naira. 160,000 naira. So for the parapet for this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need a total of 2,194,000 naira. 2,194,000 naira. Then the workmanship, we need 500,000 naira. So 500,000 naira plus 2,194,000 naira is giving us 2,694,000 naira. 2,694,000 naira. Now let's move over to the roofing. The roofing, that is the woodwork, we need 2x2 wood, 600 pieces of 2x2 wood, and a piece of 2x2 wood costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 600 is giving us 600,000 naira. We need 2x4, 800 pieces of 2x4, and a piece of 2x4 costs 2,000 naira. So 2,000 multiplied by 800 is giving us 1,600,000 naira. We need 2x3 wood, 2x3, 500 pieces of 2x3 wood, and a piece of 2x3 wood costs 1,600 naira. So 1,600 multiplied by 500 is giving us 800,000 naira. 800,000 naira. We need 3x4 wood, 3x4 wood. We need 400 pieces of 3x4 wood, and a piece of 3x4 wood costs 1,800 naira. So 1,800 naira multiplied by 400 is giving us 720,000 naira. 720,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000. We need 4 inches nail, a bag of 4 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. So for the roofing, for the woodwork, the roofing, we need a total of 3,790,000 naira. 3,790,000 naira. Then the workmanship, we need 350,000 naira. 350,000. So when you add 350,000 naira to 3,790,000 naira, is giving us 4,140,000 naira. 4,140,000 naira. Now let's move over to the roofing sheet. The roofing sheet, we are using metro tiles. We need 400 square meters of metro tiles, and a square meter costs 7,000 naira. So 7,000 multiplied by 400 is giving us 2,800,000 naira. We need top ridge. We need 35 square meters, and a square meter costs 6,500 naira. So 6,500 naira multiplied by 35 is giving us 227,500 naira. 227,500 naira. We need gum. Multiply by 3 is giving us 9,000 naira. We need 2 inches nail. This nail is different from all the other ones we've been using. 2 inches nail, a bar costs 55,000 naira, giving us 55,000 naira. So for the roofing sheet, we need a total of 3,091,500 naira. 3,091,500 naira. Then the workmanship, we need 500,000 naira. So 500,000 naira plus 3,091,500 naira is giving us 3,591,500 naira. 3,591,500 naira. Then the piping for this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need Licosin pipe, 20 meters, the 20 meters of the Licosin pipe, and we need 3 bundles, and a bundle costs 12,000 naira. So 12,000 multiplied by 3 is giving us 36,000 naira. We need U-box, 2 packets of U-box, and a packet costs 3,000 naira. 3,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 6,000 naira. We need 3x3 Noka box, 7 packets of 3x3 Noka box, and a packet costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 7 is giving us 21,000 naira. We need 3x6 Noka box, 7 packets of 3x6 Noka box, and a box costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 7 is giving us 21,000 naira. We need looping box, 1 packet of looping box, and a packet costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 naira multiplied by 1 is giving us 3,000 naira. We need cooker unit, 1 cooker unit, and that costs 6,500 naira, giving us 6,500 naira. We need coupler, 1 coupler, 1 packet, and a packet costs 3,000 naira. So that's giving us 3,000 naira. We need control switch, that's the DB. We need the control switch, and we need 1 box, and the box costs 83,000 naira. So 83 multiplied by 1 is giving us 83,000 naira. So for the piping for this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need a total of 179,500 naira. 179,500 naira. Then the workmanship, we need 50,000 naira. So 50,000 naira plus 179,500 naira is giving us 229,500 naira. 229,500 500 naira. Now let's move over to the plastering. The plastering of this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 3 trips, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 3 is giving us 210,000 naira. We need mud sand, we need 1 trip, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70 multiplied by 1 is giving us 70,000 naira. We need cement. We need 80 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 naira multiplied by 80 is giving us 760,000 naira. So 760,000 naira. Then when you add everything up for this 3-bedroom bungalow, the plastering of this 3-bedroom bungalow, when you add everything up, is giving us 1,040,000 naira. 1,040,000 naira. Then the workmanship, we need 500,000 naira. So 500,000 naira plus 1,040,000 naira is giving us 1,540,000 naira. 1,540,000 naira. Now let's move over to the wiring. The wiring of this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need 1 mm yellow wire, 4 bundles, and a bundle costs 21,000 naira. So 21 multiplied by 4 is giving us 84,000 naira. We need 1.5 red, 7 bundles of 1.5 red, and a bundle costs 29,000 naira. 29 multiplied by 7 is giving us 29,000 multiplied by 7 is giving us 203,000 naira. We need 1.5 black, 4 bundles of 1.5 black, and a bundle costs 29,000. So 29,000 multiplied by 4 is giving us 116,000 naira. We need 2.5 red, 6 bundles of 2.5 red, and a bundle costs 48,000 naira. So 48,000 multiplied by 6 is giving us 288,000 naira. We need 2.5 black, 6 bundles of 2.5 black, and a bundle costs 48,000 naira. So 48,000 multiplied by 6 is giving us 288,000 naira. We need 6 mm red, 1 bundle of 6 mm red, and a bundle costs 188,000 naira, giving us 188,000 naira. We need 6 mm black, 1 bundle of 6 mm black, and a bundle costs 188,000, giving us 188,000 naira. We need TV cable. We need 1 bundle of TV cable, and a bundle costs 16,500 naira, giving us 16,500 naira. So for the wiring for this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need 1,231,500 naira. 1,231,500 naira. Then when you add workmanship, we need 150,000 naira. 150,000 naira for workmanship. So when you add 150,000 naira to 1,231,500 naira, is giving us 1,381,500 naira. 1,381,500 naira for the wiring of this 3-bedroom bungalow. Now let's move over to the screeding. The screeding of this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need POP paint, 15 drums of POP paint, and a drum costs 5,500 naira. So 5,500 naira multiplied by 15 is giving us 82,000 naira. We need 5 kg top bond, 10 5 kg top bond, and one costs 126,000 naira. So 126,000 naira multiplied by 10 is giving us 1,260,000 naira. We need water seal, 25 kg, 25 water seal, and one costs 12,000 naira. So 12,000 multiplied by 25 is giving us 300,000 naira. We need cement, 2 bags of cement, and that one costs 10,000 naira. So 10,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 20,000 naira. So for the screeding, we need a total of 1,662,000 naira. 1,662,000 naira. Then for the workmanship, we need 150,000 naira. So 150,000 naira plus 1,662,000 naira is giving us 1,812,000 naira. 1,812,000 naira. Now let's move over to the painting. The painting, we are using satin paint, and we need 4 drums of satin paint, and a drum costs 60,000 naira. So 60,000 multiplied by 4 is giving us 240,000 naira. And then for the workmanship, we need 80,000 naira. So 80,000 naira plus 240,000 naira is giving us 320,000 naira. 320,000 naira for the painting. Then for the tiles for this 3-bedroom bungalow, for the living room and the dining, we are using the same. For all the rooms, we are using the same type of tiles, aside the kitchen and the bedroom. Every other place in this very building, we are using the same type of tiles. Okay, so for the living room and the dining, we need 95 cartons of 60 by 60 tiles, and these tiles, they have different sizes, and the size determine how many is in the carton. There's a lot of calculation. Just let me tell you the cartons we need. Okay, the living room and the dining, we need 95 cartons of 60 by 60 tiles, and one carton costs 6,000 naira. So 6,000 multiplied by 95 is giving us 570,000 naira. Then for the rooms, all the rooms in this very building, we need 100 cartons of 60 by 60 tiles, and this 60 by 60 costs 6,000 naira. So 6,000 naira multiplied by 100 is giving us 600,000 naira. For the kitchen of this particular 3-bedroom bungalow, we need 40 cartons of 25 by 40 tiles, and a carton costs 5,000 naira. So 5,000 multiplied by 40 is giving us 200,000 naira. For the bedroom, we are using the same tiles for the bedroom and the kitchen. We need 40 cartons of 25 by 40 tiles, 25 by 40, and we need 40 cartons, and one carton costs 5,000 naira. So 5,000 multiplied by 40 is giving us 200,000 naira. For the balconies, we need 100 cartons of 60 by 60 tiles, 60 by 60, and that one costs 6,000 naira. So 6,000 naira multiplied by 100, because we need 100 cartons, is giving us 600,000 naira. So for the tiles, we need 2,170,000 naira. 2,170,000 naira. Then the workmanship, we need 80,000 naira. So 80,000 naira plus 2,170,000 naira is giving us 2,250,000 naira. 2,250,000 naira. Then the doors we are using for this 3-bedroom bungalow. For the main doors we are using iron door, one iron door, and this one costs 150,000 naira. So 150,000 multiplied by 1 is giving us 150,000 naira. For the balcony doors, we are also using iron door, because they have different types of iron door with different prices and design and everything. So for the balcony door, we need iron door, and one iron door, and one costs 90,000 naira. So 90 multiplied by 1 is giving us 90,000 naira. For the rooms, all the rooms, we need panel doors. We need 3 panel doors for the 3 rooms, and one panel door costs 55,000 naira. So 55 multiplied by 3 is giving us 165,000 naira. We need, for the kitchen door, we need panel door, one panel door, and that costs 55,000, giving us 55,000 naira. For the bedroom, we are using Alamaco, the Alamaco door, just one 4 Alamaco doors, and one costs 35,000 naira. 35 multiplied by 4 is giving us 140,000 naira. So the total amount for the doors we need is 600,000 naira. That is the total amount we are spending on doors, 600,000 naira. Then the installation of these doors, we need one, that is the workmanship, we need 150,000 naira. So 150,000 naira plus 600,000 naira is giving us 750,000 naira. 750,000 naira. Now let's move over to the plumbing. The plumbing of this 3-bedroom bungalow, we need 6 lengths of 3/4 pipes, 6 lengths of 3/4 pipes, 2,500 naira. So 2,500 naira multiplied by 6 is giving us 15,000 naira. We need 5 lengths of half pipes, and one costs 2,500 naira. So 2,500 multiplied by 5 is giving us 12,000 naira. We need meter of Henko pipe, 12 meters of Henko pipe, and one meter costs 700 naira. So 700 multiplied by 12 is giving us 8,400 naira. We need quarter elbow, 21 quarter elbow, one costs 200 naira. So 200 multiplied by 21 is giving us 4,200 naira. We need quarter T, 15 quarter T, and one costs 300 naira. So 300 multiplied by 15 is giving us 4,500 naira. Quarter T multiplied by half elbow, we need 15, and one costs 200 naira. So 200 naira multiplied by 15 is giving us 3,000 naira. We need quarter by half MSF elbow. We need 3, and one costs 200 naira. So 200 multiplied by 3 is giving us 600 naira. Quarter by half MSF elbow. We need 3, and one costs 200 naira. So 200 multiplied by 3 is giving us 600 naira. We need 1.5 T, 8 1.5 T, and one costs 400 naira. So 400 multiplied by 8 is giving us 3,200 naira. We need 3 Henko MSF elbow, and one costs 2,000 naira. So 2,000 multiplied by 3 is giving us 6,000 naira. We need Henko elbow, 3 Henko elbow, one costs 2,000 naira. So 2,000 multiplied by 3 is giving us 6,000 naira. We need 1.5 bend, we need 18, and one costs 300 naira. So 300 multiplied by 18 is giving us 5,400 naira. We need 1.5 floor drain, we need 3, and one costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 3 is giving us 3,000 naira. We need medium agbo gum, we need 1, and one costs 9,000 naira. 9,000. So adding everything together for the plumbing, we need a total of 81,200 naira. 81,200 naira. Then the workmanship, we need 60,000 naira. So when you add 60,000 naira to 81,200 naira, it's giving us 141,200 naira. 141,200 naira.
Now let's move over to the windows. For the windows, for all the rooms in this house, we are using 1200 by 1200 windows, 1200 by 1200, and we need 6 sets of this 1200 by 1200, and one costs 145,000 naira. So 145,000 naira multiplied by 6 is giving us 870,000 naira. Then for the living room and dining, we are using 1200 by 1500, 1200 by 1500, and we need 3, and one costs 160,000 naira. So 160,000 naira multiplied by 3 is giving us 480,000 naira. 480,000 naira. Then for the kitchen we are using 1200 by 1200, and we need 1, and 1 costs 145,000 naira, giving us 145,000 naira. Then for the toilet, we are using 600 by 750, 600 by 750, and we need 4, and 1 costs 60,000 naira. So 60,000 multiplied by 4 is giving us 240,000 naira. 240,000 naira. So the total cost for the windows is 1,735,000 naira. 1,735,000 naira. Then for the workmanship, we need 250,000 naira. That is the installation of these windows. We need 250,000 naira. So when you add 250,000 naira to 1,735,000 naira, it's giving us 1,985,000 naira. 1,985,000 naira. Now let's add everything up for this 3-bedroom bungalow. From foundation to DPC, we need a total of 4,327,000 naira. Then for the German floor, we need a total of 990,000 naira. For the lintel, we need a total of 4,892,000 naira. Then for the parapet, we need a total of 2,694,000 naira. For the roofing, that is the woodwork, we need a total of 4,140,000 naira. For the roofing sheet, we need a total of 3,591,500 naira. 3,591,500 naira. Then for the piping, we need a total of 229,500 naira. 229,500 naira. For the plastering, we need a total of 1,540,000 naira. 1,540,000 naira. For the wiring, we need a total of 1,381,500 naira. 1,381,500 naira. For the screeding, we need a total of 1,812,000 naira. 1,812,000 naira. For the painting, we need a total of 320,000 naira. For the painting, 320,000 naira. Then for the tiles, we need a total of 2,250,000 naira. 2,250,000 naira. Then for the doors, we need a total of 750,000 naira. 750,000 naira for the doors. For the plumbing, we need a total of 141,200 naira. 141,200 naira for the plumbing. Then for the windows, we need a total of 1,985,000 naira. 1,985,000 naira for the windows. So the total cost of building this 3-bedroom bungalow from start to finish here in Nigeria in January 2025 is 31,043,700 naira. 31,043,700 naira. This is excluding cost of transportation, water, interior finishings like the kitchen cabinet, the WCs and all of that. This is excluding all of that. This is also excluding the sockaway, the borehole, generator house. No, this is not, we didn't include all of that, okay? But from start to finish for the building, we need a total of 31,043,700 naira. 31,043,700 naira. Okay.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you need a very good engineer to handle your building project, I would highly recommend Engineer Mewerium. His phone number will always be on the screen, also in the description box. Make sure to contact him and let him know you came from a remote on YouTube. Okay, guys, there's something I really want to tell you. So I was discussing with a friend like who had a dilemma, like talking about his building. He's building a hotel and he just have some issues, community this, community that, like so many hookups. Okay, so we're just trying to sort everything out, making calls, calling and calling and calling, trying to sort the whole thing out. When I'm like, it just got to me like, some of you guys might be going through some dilemmas and you want some, help, like say another option. Maybe dilemma with your family members or anybody at all, and you just want to hear what someone else has to say concerning the issue. Okay, you just want to get another person's perspective who is not a family friend a family or a friend, just someone, just random person like me on the internet, let me give you my own opinion or suggestion, or my own thoughts on whatever dilemma you're going through. Just send whatever it is to the email on the screen. Okay, send your dilemma to the email on the screen, the email showing on your screen. Just explain whatever it is you're going through, and then I'll make a video of it, give you my opinion, my own opinion, and then all of us in the comment section, you guys watching in the comment section, will also share your opinion. So that way you get different perspectives to whatever you're going through, or even anyone that has a solution to it. You don't know, someone else might have gone through the same thing, and they will share in the comment section, and you just get the help you need. So send your dilemma to the email showing on your screen. Okay, send your dilemma to the email and we'll talk about it, and hopefully you get a solution. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video so that more people can see it. Subscribe to the channel, okay, if you haven't yet. Why haven't you subscribed? You're just watching me, you're not subscribed. Please subscribe, it's absolutely free. Okay, subscribe so that you get more informations like this, and turn on your post notification bell so when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Okay, so yeah, and help me share with your friends or family members, anyone at all will find this video helpful. Please help me share with them. Okay, and leave me a comment in the comment section. If you have any question, put it down for me in the comment section. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Jesus loves you, and I love you too.